Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. In this video, we're diving into the world of PRTC, found at prtc.us. PRTC stands for Potomac and Rappahannock Transportation Commission, and they're a vital transportation link for a significant portion of Northern Virginia. Their website serves as a comprehensive hub for all things transit-related in the region, offering detailed information about bus routes and schedules, commuter services, and other mobility solutions. Navigating prtc.us is user-friendly, allowing you to quickly find the specific information you need. Whether you're a daily commuter seeking the most efficient route or a visitor exploring the area, the website caters to a variety of needs. You'll find comprehensive schedules, real-time bus tracking, fare information, and details about park and ride options. PRTC is committed to providing reliable and accessible transportation, and their website reflects this dedication. Beyond simply providing schedules and routes, prtc.us also offers insights into PRTC's broader mission and commitment to the community. You can learn about their initiatives to improve air quality, reduce traffic congestion, and promote sustainable transportation options. They also provide information about their paratransit services, ensuring accessibility for all members of the community. The website further details various programs and projects undertaken by PRTC, highlighting their continuous efforts to enhance the transportation infrastructure of the region. This commitment to transparency and community engagement makes prtc.us a valuable resource for both residents and visitors alike. So, next time you're planning a trip in the Northern Virginia area, be sure to check out prtc.us. It's your one-stop shop for all your transportation needs, from bus schedules to commuter options and everything in between. You'll be well informed and prepared for your journey. Exploring the website will give you a clearer understanding of the crucial role PRTC plays in connecting communities and facilitating travel throughout the region.